Welcome to Alpha Range Execution. You're about to watch a live market recording focused on structure, price, and execution.
Okay. This is a quick video just to show a few things, and going to be the last of the year, and we'll be back next year. So here on Euro USD, as everyone know, the market being tapped on Tuesday last week on the daily order block after swap that liquidity, internal range liquidity, as you're going to put there just like that. Then give the move to the downside. Was expected. It was expected a bit more higher, but that's levels as a strong levels as the breakout started created right here and also there. So that's completely normal that to happen. So if you go to the 4-hour, you can see from last week you was expect the market drop and tap on this key level, but it wasn't very close. It don't happen, and that's all right. On the 1-hour, you can see the move happens already on Asian high. So what can you expect next on this? So you expect the market keep pushing a bit higher, because on the 4-hour, where is okay, so you expect the market push a bit higher. So but this week, as the market will be closed most of the time, so you expect the market push through these levels here to that rejection block on the 4-hour. So you expect that to push because you have this liquidity to be swept. It's not the rejection block, it's not the order block, it's not anything, it's just another liquidity. So you expect the market keep pushing high to swap that levels. So also on 1-hour, where you can take that level from. So you can see, let's see, for our, yeah, you can see where the most people are expected the market to trade on this market. So most people are expected the market will be taps into this order block to trade from, like that, buying from that level as you have a nice displacement. But this level actually for us is going to be the trap zone. It's a possible trap zone, so careful on these levels. So what else you have below that? Let's see, 4-hour. It's nothing there, nothing there. 1-hour. It's nothing, actually is nothing there below these levels. So you expect, let's see how the market's going to play around this level. You expect to see swap this level before the continuation. That can be happen. Some people consider that higher possibly zone to trade because that also have a proper price action around this level. So you don't take this in consideration, because that's the levels that normally people lose. Okay, order block is not every single candle like that. Is, if you take that in consideration, is not going to be order block anymore. It's going to be a pattern, and order block have to be in a specific level, right? And yeah, so you expect this level to take it out, swap that level before the push to the upside. Perfect. So this was Euro USD. The only way you can trust is this level. If the market drops through this or this, the IPA or even the order block, and give another displacement, then you can trust the level to go up again. Otherwise, it's just a trap. You need to see the markets play out at these levels before you taking any decision. So Euro USD GU now. So you expect GU to keep going up to swap these levels. As you can see, this was the weekly breaker market structure. That's the breakout structure at that level. You can see on the line chart that was the market breaks here. So all the week yes, expecting bullish, as I told before on live sessions, and that's what he keep expecting. So on the daily, you have targets. This is going to be one of them. Every time the market swept this kind of levels, you have a reaction to the downside. Even if you can see it here, as you can see, the market swept, have a reaction to the downside, then swept all again, because we are in a bullish market. Weekly, the most recently break of structure was bullish, so the market will keep rising until tap the level they need to tap. So now on the 4-hour, let's see what we have. So on the 4-hour, you have a few levels, then the market can be respect and get some reaction. So you have this 4-hour rejection block here. Great. Now if you go to the 1-hour, what you can see from this level, the only problem on this level is also 1-hour rejection block is you don't have any liquidity close to them, and the liquidity have to be close to that level to make that level happen. If no liquidity, that level will be the liquidity. But let's see what the market's going to do at this level, because most people still waiting for this order block to play out. And if the market drops from this level, that level is not going to hold it. It's going to be a trap zone. So also what you have, a breaker just below it. That's a good thing, because when you have a breaker below, what happens if you trade from the order block, you're going to place your order here, your stop loss is going to be below the order block. That's where are the breakers. So that stop loss get hit, some people get in and get profits. But you also have Asian middle line, so you need to take all of this in consideration. I just take in consideration the body. I don't take any candles in consideration, any wicks in consideration, only the body of the candle. So you have the breaker block there. So if the market's playing this level, so it should do something like taps into, you can go to the lower time frame, you will see a market change, and if the market change, you can trade and target that levels, because that levels are going to be hit at some point. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. So on AUD/USD, the same thing you have already. The market swap internal liquidity, give a reaction, the same reaction give here, swap internal liquidity, and just move higher. Gold give us the all-time highs again. That's completely normal at this time of the year. Gold pushing. People like to buy gold and all of that stuff. BTC, for people like BTC, are on the weekly, so you see the market taps into that level after break the internal range liquidity, taps this weekly order block. It was expected, the rejection block as well, but that not happened. So you can see a raise from BTC a bit more higher. I don't believe it's going to be all of this way, so it's still a few levels to be swept. So but it was a good point to buy from that point, but at some point you're going to get another drop, so careful on that. And yeah, so if you want to check on us, you can go to our website, and yeah, you can choose your path. This is our website, you can have a look. This is the people are online right now. So yeah, it's a website, you can choose your path, what you have included in everything that the partners work on. And yeah, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and trade with precision.